We're starting today's video off, guys, by a lot of AC. We're in the X6, just doing a bit of a change around. We're gonna go for some lunch, food vlog, of course, because that's what we do on this channel. Oh, look at it. Look at it coming down. Can you see that? Can you see that? Can you see that? Can you see that? Oh, he's parked it. He's parked it. Can you see that? Can you see it yet? Can you see it yet? Oh, there she is. Oh, there's Josh. Look at this guy here. What does he want? What do you want?
What are you doing?
What do you want? Parked here. Trying to...
It's in the reverse, by the way.
Am I? Oh, yeah. Look at this. Just doing a bit of house maintenance, are you, mate? Bit of maintenance going down. Oh, I'll pick this one. Thanks, mate. Right, so I get to move Shamu. Let's do this. Run across the road, run across the road. Now, I haven't actually driven this car in a while, so I know it's only down the road, but love is coming back quite quickly. Oh, I have the key. Oh, look at inside. Oh, yes. It has been a long time. You guys may not know that I actually... Just before I started YouTube, this was actually my car. It didn't look anything like this. It was a rusty POS, let's just say that. It's good to be back in this little thing. It's just a shame I never bought it back, and I never will, because times have changed. But at least I get to move it down the road a little bit. Oh, so good. Look at this, it's so Japan in here. Look at all this Japanese writing, all down here, Japanese. Oh, it's just... serious throwback. Obviously these are Japan imports. If you guys have seen the previous videos, you know, on this car, we've had a lot of fun in this thing. A lot of fun. Right, select reverse, bring the parking brake, there we go, because the handbrake's down there. She's so wide. I'm gonna have to change this all the way down. Sweet. Right, backwards we go. Drive, just perfect though, this thing now. Josh has done so much work to this thing. It's literally unreal how perfect it pretty much is now. Look at the S15 down there. Oh, look at this, just look at the size of this bloody thing as well. What's that all about? Why would you even have one of them? Wide bodies everywhere. 15 coming down here. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's a nice whip right there. Whips on whips. Literally wide bodies everywhere right now. Wide bodies on wide bodies. Right, Shamu is parked. She is docked in her station. It is literally like trying to get the Spaceship Enterprise in a small docking station. Just like the X6, really. This thing is so wide. When you look out of the mirrors, the width of this thing is absolutely massive. Look at that. So sick. Off she goes. I still love you. You take one, I'll take the other. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, Josh. You can have that. Busy. You're always busy. FYDHQ coming soon. Hey guy. Why have you filled this back seat up already? I'll give it a rest, will you, mate? Now, shout out to Owen at Dorset Auto Spares, sorting me right out with some paint for the Moret headlights that you've just seen. Now, yes, they're pink and they're glittery and they're actually from a scrapyard. Apparently they were the best thing that were on the car that it was on. It had a body kit or something on it. But now, before we pursue black Moret headlights for the Saxo, it's time for some food. Let's go to food. Shout out, look at this, what a hero, what a hero. Okay guys, welcome to Josh's back garden. I'm going to explain to you exactly what is going on, why I've bought Moret headlights and what car they're for. Now these are for the Saxo. Unfortunately the Fiesta can't take Moret headlights. Where the bad boy bonnet comes down, it actually wouldn't really be worth me trying to find, cut and then fill some for the Fiesta. So I definitely want to get some for the Saxo anyway when I bought it. Massive shout out to Joey, subscriber. He contacted me through Instagram and gave me a banging deal on these, so massive thank you to him. There's actually a cool story behind these. These were saved from a car that was about to be crushed, so they're actually from a scrapyard. Off what looks to be a pink glittery Saxo with a body kit on it. So sort of reliving, you know, an old school day with the body kit and Moret headlights. this, but I wanted to take it more of a track theme with the Saxo, but I definitely wanted the Moret headlights. But let's crack on. I want these to be gloss black, obviously. I don't really want them to be pink on front of the car, although it would look quite cool. It won't look cool. Very good paint job on this though. Glittery pink would have actually looked pretty cool back in the day, but let's get on with this. Let's sand them down, start respraying them. So, gone through the Morets, as you can see, taken the actual, this bit off. Would you say that's the cover, I guess? The cover, bit of plastic. Surround, there we go, Josh knows. I've taken that off so we can get a bit more in-depth into the sanding. Yeah, look at his hair, look at that, oh my god. He's a new man. Did
you say fleek yesterday, didn't you?
Oh, you're on fleek! And yeah, good bit of sanding later, and most of the pink and the glitter is off, which is quite nice. Now just gonna scotch them back a little bit, just a little bit, just get to smooth it out. Get the little bitty grainy bits out, and then degrease and start painting. Paint. So we've just primed both of them. Shout out to Josh making one of the best paint rigs in the world. Did you just 2 seconds flat to make this thing? 2 bins, jack pole, a couple of cable ties and a bit of string basically. But yeah, they're coming out pretty well. Liking the look at these, but we're going to wait until that's dry and then we're going to spray them with black. Right, so I've just finished doing this one, pick up the camera quickly. So hard to get right in there with these, isn't it? The actual light itself is so hard to sort of spray in. As you can see, Josh with the hand wrist movement like that, getting right in there. Finish the second coat and they're looking pretty glossy. I mean, look at that. Nice bit of gloss black on there. So what I'm going to do next is leave them in this shed to bake pretty much overnight before we fit them back together, and we'll throw them on the Saxo. Right, that is their resting place for the evening. I'm going to try and bake them up as much as I can to make sure we get a good finish. I think that's the idea, isn't it?
Yeah, of course it is.
Hopefully that works. We're no professional painters.
And if they're bad, you just polish it up.
I'll just polish it up and it's fine. That'll be cool.
Super resin polish was made for.
That's what it's all about. In the HQ, I've got a couple of bits to do today. Pack all your orders as well, which is, I love seeing how many people are really supporting FYD, especially across the different ranges of clothing, the hats, the t-shirts and everything. Massive thank you to you guys. I seem to be getting a lot of people asking me to sign stuff as well, which I appreciate so much. Thank you, honestly, thank you from the bottom of my heart. It means so much to me from you guys, supporting the channel and the clothing, but then me able to sign my own brand is like dream come true sort of stuff for me. I absolutely love it. The HQ will be open very soon. Again, I still am halfway through decorating this place, but we will be doing events and stuff down here. And guys, the ST170 parts are now up on the fydapparel.com website. If you do need any ST170 parts, I've got the headlights, various other little bits and bobs from the front end that you saw in the last video. They're all up on the channel right now. Let's smash through your orders. Right, so big shout out to Scott Davis signing one of the snapbacks. Absolute legend. Thank you so much for your support, dude. Appreciate you big time. Okay, so if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, I actually put a picture up the other day of me getting Need for Speed Underground right there, and I said basically, if you guys get this picture up to over 2,000 likes, I will put a TV and a PS2 and everything in the Fiesta, and you guys absolutely smashed it, 3,500 likes. That is good going. A lot of people on there were like, oh, you should have bought Need for Speed Underground too. I'd already bought it, don't you worry about that. So that's what's coming up. I want to do like a big TV in the back of the Fiesta, I think. A couple of controllers out, PS2, and obviously Need for Speed. Has to happen. But that's something I will build on once we get a bit more interior in the Fiesta, I think. Probably need to strip most of the back out, because I think a wall of subs one side and a TV the other side. But if you're an audio or visual or anything in-car entertainment brand that want to support the Fiesta in any way, I would absolutely love to kit it right out with a fantastic sound system, head unit, subs, big TV, PS2, all that sort of good stuff. That's what's coming for inside the car. I've got a sort of good layout and design of what I want, just buying the little bits and bobs to actually get that in motion. But yeah, like this video for just Need for Speed Underground 2 Moret headlights. We know how to roll around here. Just smash through all your orders. Thank you so much again for your support, guys. I'm going to go to the post office now, get them all shipped out. But if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I will be smashing them Moret headlights in the SAXO probably tomorrow or the next day. I think that's what's coming. Thank you so much for your support. I'll see you on the next one, guys.